Hi everyone, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy 2-ingredient body paint. It's chocolate body paint, it's edible, it's absolutely delicious, and with Valentine's Day just around the corner I thought this would be a fun recipe to share with you. And you could also use it at Easter time, paint your kids' faces, paint your grandkids' faces. It's just a fun body paint that you can make at home and use for whatever you like. So all I'm going to do is add a tablespoon of cocoa powder. I've actually got some sugar-free drinking chocolate powder that I'm going to use, but you could use any cocoa powder, cacao powder, whatever you like. A tablespoon of that powder, just putting it in a little bowl, and then about a tablespoon's worth of maple syrup. If you don't like maple syrup, you could also use some rice malt syrup, or you could also use honey if you're not vegan. Whatever you use, you just want to make a paste out of this. And I just find that maple syrup is easy to use. I usually have it on hand, or even if you wanted to, you could use some date paste as well. But as you can see, this is already done. It's that simple. And then all I'm going to use is a basting brush to paint this on, and you can see it's just so easy and quick. Yum, 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 yum. It's delicious. Give it a go. I hope you like this quick recipe, and I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now. Yummy.